Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Eloswag, the BBNaija level up housemate. I just got evicted and right now I'll be checking your comments on social media. Let's get to see what you said about me. So Eloswag's playing mind games with Chomzy and is making him look manipulative. He's actually gaslighting her. I don't even know if this is a good comment. Oh man, down like your yawa. Anyways, Chomzy knows the vibe. You ain't Chomzy, and I'm Eloswag, so down like your yawa. They all have mouth to talk when it comes to doing. They just love picking on her. Eloswag is the worst HOH in the history of BBNaija. Baba, can't win now. In all of this, I pity Eloswag. The mumu was beefing Chichi and trying to provoke her, all because of Chomzy, unknowing to him that Chomzy cut ties with Chichi because Chichi advised her not to go for groovy. Guy, I literally asked Bunny who she liked. That's how your wife, she likes groovy, that's fine. If she likes Eloswag, that's fine. But who's she with right now, though? Okay. When is Eloswag really going home? I'm tired of seeing that super corny and arrogant move. Baba, I'm at home now and I'm blown. What are you saying? I'm going to be on your face 247. Ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Eloswag got mumu confidence. Apparently, you like my mumu confidence. Thank you very much. Eloswag is angry because Fina didn't wait for him for 1 week. Fina was practically begging him before he ignored her. Now the babe is happy and his plans with Chomzy didn't work. He wants to provoke Fina. Eloswag is crazy and foolish. His plans with Chomzy actually worked. Hi. I think that's all. But yeah, love the vibes, love the comments. Ain't taking anything personal because, you know, it's a vibe, man. It's a game. If you feel do can't do Shout out to BBNaija season 11 up. And it's your boy, Eloswag. I was one of the housemates.